Alright, so family, you are warmly welcome back again to Richard Oben's online tutorials. Alright, so today too, we are going to expose you to another branch of mathematics called algebra, as you can see on the board. So um, we are here to expose you to how to find the value of an algebraic expression. We've done a lot of videos on looking at how to simplify algebraic expression, how to simplify algebraic fractions, how to factorize, how to do binomial expansion and monomial expansion. And today we are here to expose you to how to find the value of an algebraic expression. So when we take some question samples over here, do not forget that I am Obi Richard and I'm here to lead you through how to find the values of an algebraic expression. So over here I have some question samples with you. I want to lead you through, and I believe at the end of the day, the understanding that you will get, you'll be able to employ this understanding in every question that you'll be given to solve. Are you getting me? So here it is a platform where we get time for students and we make sure that whichever the question may be or whichever the problem may be, we try to take our time and take the student through step-by-step procedures so that that student will be blessed at the end of the day. Keep tuned, keep on watching, and we hope that at the end of the day, your day won't be disrupted, but it will be a wonderful one. Very good. So let's start with the procedure. We've been asked to find, question number one, it says we've been asked to find for the value of a minus b minus what, c. And question number two, it says that we should find the value of this expression, 3a squared minus 2bc, whereby the value of a had been given as 2, the value of b is -1, and the value of c is what, -3. So over here, this is an algebraic expression. It is an expression because, one, we don't have any we don't have any equal sign in it. Are you getting me? And over here, there are variables that are coming into play. Variables are coming into what? Play. That is why we term this one as an algebraic or what expression. Are you with me? Very good. The same manner, this one, we don't have any equal sign in it. That's why it is termed as what? An expression. So quickly, let's see how to dive into it and solve for the value. Good. So I'll write down my solution, then we will start from there. So now that I am done writing down my solution, we are going to tackle question number one. Now question number one, we have a minus b minus what? C. The question says we have to find the value of this expression whereby the value of a had been given as +2, b had been given as -1, and c had been given as what? -3. Now what it means is that we are going to substitute the values of the corresponding variables within the expression, and at the end of the day, we deduce the value that the expression will give to us. So let's start by substituting, okay? Pay attention and everything will be fine at the end of the day. Very good. So a is +2. So I am substituting, and with this I have to open a bracket and then go there. Now have it in mind that anytime that a variable stands on its own in mathematics, anytime that a variable stands on its own, a has a coefficient which is what? 1. Are you getting me? B also has a coefficient which is 1. And C also has a coefficient which is what? 1. So there are coefficients over there. But 1 is a unit number that most of the times you don't normally write it in algebra. Are you getting me? Very good. So substituting the value of a in there, I will have 1 in a bracket +2, indicating that the value of a is what? 2 minus 1 in a bracket. B now is -1, so -1. I am substituting. That is why I've opened the bracket to indicate that the value of b is what? -1. Now -1 bracket open. C is -3. So over here, I will expand the bracket with respect to the signs in front of what? The numbers. Here is +1 multiplying +1. I'm going to get this. I have -1 multiplying -1 within the bracket. Have it in mind that if I have 2 in a bracket 3, it's still the same as 2 times what? 3. Are you with me? So 2 times times 3 is the same as this. That's why I said we are multiplying. Are you with me? Very good. So let's continue with life. Good. So here I'm going to multiply 1 times 1, but have it in mind that the negative sign and negative sign, when it multiplies, I'm going to get what? Positive 1. Then here negative sign will multiply that, giving me positive, and 1 times 3 gives me 3. Are you with me? Very good. So this time around I will just add this. So 2 plus 1 plus 3. Well, I'm going to get what? I'm going to get what? 6. So my answer becomes positive 6. So this then becomes my answer. So the value for this expression is this, the expression a minus b minus c, whereby a is given as 2, b is given as what? Negative 1, and c is given as negative 3. The value for this expression becomes what? Positive 6. I believe you understand. Very good. So now let's quickly dive into question number 2. The question number 2, I have 3a squared minus 2bc. This one too, I've been asked to find the value of this expression. Remember, I explained to you what we mean by an expression. Expression is something algebraic. For expression, we are referring to variables which in play with numbers without an equal sign. So this one, because there is no equal sign in it, that's why we are terming this as an expression. Or there is no inequality sign. That's why we are terming this as an expression. So we are going to substitute the corresponding values for the variables in there. I get it. Right. So here, now that a is this, we write the value of a, which is 2, becomes 2 squared, by following, minus 2 in a bracket, b is negative 1, and then c is negative 3. Are you with me? Very good. So here we all know that mathematically, if I have a squared, it is the same as a times what? A. So if I have 2 squared, this one means 2 times what? 2. That is, if I have 2 or 2, it is the same as 2 times. So 2 times 2 gives us what? 4. Are you with me? Very good. So 2 power 2 gives me 2 times 2, which is 4. So this one within the bracket, it means 2 power 2 gives us what? 4. I believe you are following. Very good. Now let's move through with the next question. So I have negative 2 in the bracket. So here I will do the bracket first. I will tackle the bracket first, which is with respect to board marks. So I'll multiply negative 1 by negative 3. Please have it in mind that there are brackets over there. Okay? There are brackets over there. So if I have negative 1 in the bracket, negative 3. This one simply means negative 1 multiplying negative 3. I get it. It is multiplying. So negative by negative gives me what? Positive. And 1 times 3 gives me what? Positive 3. I get it. Very good. So this is the same as this, and is the same as what we are getting here. So we had positive what? 3. Okay, have it in mind that plus 3 and 3 like this, they are all the same. Okay, so if I should write positive 3 or this, they are all the same. Very good. So let's continue with the process. Now, I will multiply 3 by what I have in a bracket. So 3 by 4 gives me what? 12. Then here to I'll multiply negative 2 by positive 3. Where I'm going to get what? Negative 6. Are you with me? Now we are going to solve this. So 12 minus 6, leaving behind positive 6. So this is what we are getting as our final answer. Okay, so this is the value. The value for the expression 3a squared minus 2bc gives us what? Positive 6. I believe you are following. Very good. Quickly, let's dive into question number 3. This one also we've been asked to find the value of what? The expression, which is 2x cubed minus 5x squared, whereby the value of x is what? Negative 1. So question number 3, 2x cubed minus. So this means that wherever I see x, the value of x has been given as what? Negative 1. So wherever I see x, I have to substitute what? Negative 1. Alright, so here, 2 brackets open, negative 1, all power what? 3. Are you following? Then minus 5 in a bracket, negative 1 all square. Now have it in mind that mathematically, if I have a power 2 is the same as a times what? A. Are you with me? If I have, let's say, a all power 2 is the same as a times a. Because a all power 2 is the same as this. Are you getting me? Very good. And if I have a all power 3 is the same as a times what? A. It means a is multiplying itself what? 3 times. Okay, in the same manner, if I have a power 3, let me rewrite this well so that you will get what I'm trying to say. If I have a all power 3, it means a times what? A. So multiplying this, that's what I'm going to get. Yeah, I believe it is very good. So let's continue with what we have here. Now I have negative 1 all power 3. Negative 1 all power 3. Mathematically, this one means negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. Are you okay? So negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. So here I'll take my time and do it one after the other. I'll multiply negative 1 times negative 1. So I'm going to get what? Positive 1. Multiplying negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 gives me positive 1. And times negative 1, where I'm going to get what? Negative 1. Are you with me? So here this means that negative 1 all power 3 gives me what? Negative 1. So I have 2 in a bracket, negative 1 minus 5 in a bracket. Now let's see negative 1 all squared. So negative 1 all power 2 means negative 1 is multiplying itself what? How many times? 2 times. This one means the base is multiplying itself 2 times. So here I have negative 1 times negative 1. Where I'm going to get what? 1. I get it because negative times negative gives me what? Positive. And positive can be either this or this. I'm going to get what? 1. So here I'm going to get 1 in there. Then we continue with life. So here I'll multiply 2 times this. Remember the 2 here is positive. For positive, we can write this as a positive, or we can write this. This and this are the same. Good. So we continue. We multiply positive 2 by this. We are going to get what? Negative 2. And negative 5 times positive 1. We are going to get what? Negative 5. Are you with me? So negative 2 minus what? 5 gives me what? Negative 7. So this becomes our answer. This becomes our answer. So that means that the value for the expression 2x cubed minus 5x squared, where x is negative 1, the value becomes what? Negative 7. I believe you are good with that. Very good. So as I said it earlier, this is the platform where care is taken, where we take our time, we explain the concept one after the other for learners to understand it, so that you will not find yourself in a state of dilemma anytime that you will encounter a problem. Okay, now too, have it in mind that now that you are benefiting from us, please make sure you share so that your colleagues out there will also enjoy the best lesson, will also become the best version of themselves in the field of mathematics. We are here to help you all. So make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will always be the first person to witness our video anytime that we post or we upload videos in here. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for your time also. Bye bye.